Good morning. Let's talk about what I have to help you learn physics this year.
Flippin' Physics.
Let's start with AP Physics 1. I have over 40 hours of videos specifically for AP Physics 1 organized in logical order on my website with lecture notes for each of those videos. I also have solutions for AP Physics 1 free response questions, and I am working on brand new AP Physics 1 unit review videos for the new AP Physics 1 curriculum. Of course, I have everything linked below. And to be clear, my videos are packed with demonstrations and visuals. I show every single step of the math. And I have 3 students who are there to help you learn. So yeah, these are not Google Slides presentations. Okay, I also have an AP Physics 1 Ultimate Review Packet, which you can purchase to help you study for that exam specifically. Yes, my AP Physics 1 Ultimate Review Packet is not free. For more than a decade, I gave away everything I produced for free, and it was, in a word, unsustainable. I sell the Ultimate Review Packet as a way to keep everything else free. All right, moving on. For AP Physics C Mechanics, I also have more than 40 hours of video specifically for that exam, organized in logical order on my website with lecture notes for each of those videos, solutions for my free response questions, and review videos for each section. For AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism, I only have roughly 13 hours of video specifically for that exam, organized in logical order on my website with lecture notes for each of those videos. And for AP Physics 2, well, I do only have roughly 4 hours of video specifically for that. I definitely want to make more videos for AP Physics 2, however, well, I've been doing this for almost 12 years, and there are a lot of AP Physics courses. So that's what I have for you. Please tell all your friends so they are not bemoaning the fact that they are finding out about flipping physics for the first time in late April. That is always sad when it happens. Best of luck to you with your learning this year, and thank you very much for learning with me today. I enjoy learning with you.